Hi everybody, welcome back to One to Step. In today's video, I'll be guiding you on how you can know if someone swiped left on Tinder. So to get started, go ahead and open up Tinder application. Now you'll be appear with somewhat like this on the screen interface. What you can do is, for example, I'll just swipe left to this person. What Tinder do if I swiped left to any person is that Tinder will stop recommending me that person again on my feed. Their profile will not appear on my feed again on Tinder if I swipe left to that person. So same goes with YouTube. So if someone swipe left to you, you no longer will be appear on their feed on Tinder. So this is how you know if someone swiped left on Tinder. There is no other way to know if someone swiped left on Tinder. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.